you will never be typing your responses, right? So if you type your answers, if you type your keywords now, it won't give you that needed practice. You should rather write notes in pen or pencil on a notepad and then take a picture, because you should practice for real time exam, right? You will not be allowed to type. Okay, nevertheless, first question is, describe an outdoor activity you took part in. What activity it was, where you did it, when you did it, explain whether you liked it or not. Okay, so skydiving was the activity. It was done in Missouri summer last year along with my friends. Liked most, and it was quite tough and adventurous. Okay. Mm, is there any story that, so since there is definitely a story, because you mentioned summer last year. Okay, so how did you go? How many friends were there? Right? All that has to be included in your answer. Okay, good. And did you take 1 minute to make these notes? 1 minute. Okay. Now next question.
1 minute 15 seconds.
1 minute 15 seconds. Okay. Maybe is this the reason you were typing it out? Try to practice writing only. Okay. Now talk about a situation. Situation when you had to wait. Okay. What you waited for, why you had to wait, what you did while waiting, explain how you felt after waiting. Okay. So you waited for what? You have not mentioned what was happening. Where were you going? You were at the airport. So why were you at the airport in the first place? Where were you going? Right? Mention the place you were at, place, then maybe time, where you were going, and who you were with. Sorry about this typing. All right. Okay. So you were at the airport. Okay. Due to rescheduled flight, right? So, and now when it was rescheduled flight, how long did you wait? How long did you wait? Right? Were you all alone? अच्छा, who were you with? ये इससे आंसर हो जाएगा. Right? Were you alone due to rescheduled flight? So okay. Was it a domestic flight or an international flight? Okay. So when it was rescheduled, you enjoyed a complimentary city tour by airlines. That was nice. Was it real?
No, man.
No, they
Usually,
never.
usually they provide a hotel room.
Okay, okay. They provided a hotel room. Okay,
I
okay,
think
okay.
that might be possible for some other countries.
All right. Yeah, yeah. Right, right. Okay. Okay, you felt exhausted. Fine, 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 fine. So all the tense has to be past tense only, right? Okay. Now this talk about a person who you want to work with, okay, who the person is, how you know them, what they do, explain why you want to work with them, okay. My best friend Kashif since my childhood. So how long you know? Working, he is working IT professional. We have good bonding and understanding. नहीं 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 नहीं. On what project you want to work with him? ये तो 4 लाइन का आंसर दिया आपने. किस प्रोजेक्ट पर आप काम करना चाहते हो? What is your field, right? What is your field? So on what project do you want to work together, right? Is it related to IT or is it something else, right? um, we have a great bonding and understanding. um, have you worked together before, right? And since this is you want to work with, so when it is you want to work with, then it will be in future tense, right? It will be in future tense. Okay. And this one, the first one, describe you took part in. So again, this is past tense. Okay. All right. So today we will be focusing on these three questions, right? I will come back to these questions once we are done with the feedback of the other questions. So let's go into them first.